So you've been asked to review a pull request. Good news! It's a lot easier than you think. The easiest way to get started is to use GitHub's new VS Code editor. What is VS Code? Who cares? It's just a tool to make things easier for you. Go to the pull request. Chances are someone sent that to you. If not, find the pull request you want and open it. Great! Now what? Well, now you hit the period on your keyboard. Give it a minute to reticulate the spines and rotate the displacer shield frequencies, and you'll get dropped off in an editor review mode. Hang on, let me drag this window down a little bit and make things bigger. Right, here are the files. Over on the left you'll see letters like A and M. These are hints about what's different. A means add. The whole thing is new. M means merge. There are changes in there. If you click on a file, you get a diff, or difference view. The old file is on the left, the new file is on the right. Stuff that's getting dropped has a dark red background. Stuff that's getting added has a green background. You'll even notice that on lines there can be an even more so colors where the actual changes are. If I want to jump to the next change, I can come up here to the top right corner and click these up and down arrows. That's interesting. Let me leave a comment by clicking on the little white area next to the line number. I can either start a review, where I can approve or deny whether or not this patch lands, or I can just leave a comment. Let's start a review. And I can continue to go through all of the other changes. Once I'm done, I have a few choices. I can either leave a comment about this review, I can approve it as is, or I can request changes. Since everything looks good, I'm going to approve this. A quick click and a happy checkbox later, and everything is good. If you want to get out, you can either click on the exit review mode, or you can just hit the back button. That will probably work better. And that's it! You're done! You've approved your first pull request. Feel free to treat yourself with cat videos or ice cream.